Hey guys, today we are going to make no bake mango custard tart. So let's get started with the tart base first. For the tart base we need 2 cups of biscuit crumbs. Our biscuit crumbs is ready now. Now all we have to do is combine the butter with the biscuit crumbs. So we need 1 cup of butter. Now the base of my tart is almost ready. We need a tart pan with a removable bottom. No need to grease it or line it. Transfer the biscuit and butter mixture directly onto the tart pan and spread it evenly. Now we need to set it in the refrigerator for 30 minutes. Meanwhile, let's get started with the custard filling. For that we need 500 ml of milk. Bring it to a boil. 1/4 cup of milk in a separate bowl and mix the custard powder. Now add this to the milk. And now I will add the powdered sugar and mix it in as well. Once the custard comes to a boil and looks nice and thick, we'll take it out of the heat. Transfer it to another bowl. Now let it sit in the refrigerator for 30 to 40 minutes. My tart base is ready. My custard filling is also ready. Spread the custard onto the tart base evenly. Now set it in the refrigerator for another 30 minutes. And now it's time to decorate our tart with some thin slices of mangoes.